IFS Cloud is built for the composable business, offering a choice of hundreds of packaged application components. Customers select the components they need, configure them, and integrate them into their IT landscape using open APIs and events. The result is a solution perfectly aligned to each customer's unique business requirements. IFS Cloud consists of over 200 packaged application components, such as the ones you see here. First, our customers choose a baseline solution, such as IFS Cloud for manufacturing, and then add or subtract additional components as and when needed. Each of the packaged application components have their own entities for data storage, business logic, and user interface. They all have a complete set of APIs and events that are used to integrate with other components in IFS Cloud, as well as with other applications and platforms. Customers can access metadata, specifications, and documentation for all data entities and APIs through IFS Cloud's built-in API catalog, the API Explorer. There are multiple categories and classes of APIs available to serve integration with other systems, development of alternative user interfaces, master data management scenarios, and more. Here is one example of an API used in our MES integration. As you see, all IFS Cloud APIs follow open standards accessible to cloud and on-prem applications through REST, documented with OpenAPI documentation, and authenticated against through OpenID Connect for interactive client or OAuth for system integrations without a user experience. IFS Cloud customers can tailor and extend their IFS Cloud solution in 3 ways. They can use IFS Cloud built-in no-code designers to extend the data model with custom attributes and entities, add automation through the workflow designer, configure the user experience with page and lobby designers, and configure additional APIs and events to be used for integration and extending on the outside. Customers can extend their IFS Cloud solution on the outside, integrating with other applications and platforms by using the 100% complete set of open APIs available. These APIs are the ones used by IFS Cloud itself, so customers can be sure that anything they can do in IFS Cloud, they can also integrate using APIs. Because all IFS Cloud APIs follow open standards, this can be done using any platform. This example shows a Power App that extracts part master information from an image of a product data sheet and automatically creates the corresponding part records in IFS Cloud, whilst also leveraging AI services to translate the part text into multiple languages. The third option is to use the low-code IFS platform as a service capabilities to extend existing or build new capabilities natively on the IFS Cloud platform with the same user experience, API model, security model, and more. These additions are kept in the customer solution repository and separated from the IFS Cloud Core application through the IFS Cloud Layered Application Architecture. These 3 capabilities work in synergy, where configurations are automatically reflected in the APIs, which can then be used in other configurations or for the purpose of extending on the outside. As this small example shows, a query built with the low-code query designer to show who has been on leave for how long can be published as an API. The published API automatically appears in the API catalog, so it can be used in integrations with other applications and platforms. But it can also be used again in the no-code designers in IFS Cloud, for example, to build a visualization element for our lobby dashboards, or in automation workflows. IFS Cloud comes with its own lightweight IFS Connect integration broker, and we also have a partnership with Boomi. Boomi has a standard IFS connector, so customers can quickly take advantage of the hundreds of other connectors Boomi has into other applications, offering one of the most comprehensive and easy-to-use integration platforms on the market. We also have pre-packaged integrations to third-party payroll, CRM, finance, and other solutions, highlighting our ability to coexist in a wider IT landscape, even in scenarios where IFS Cloud offers comparative capabilities natively. One example of where a customer has utilized the openness of IFS Cloud is a leading grower and producer of organic herbs and herbal products in the US called Gaia Herbs. Based on a forecasted increase in demand due to increased marketing activities, they implemented a robotics solution in their warehouse to increase efficiency using our standard APIs. In addition to this, a standard connection to Shopify is used to handle consumer orders. IFS Cloud is designed and built cloud-first, and our customers primarily deploy it as a complete SaaS service from IFS. While we have chosen to run the IFS Cloud SaaS service on Microsoft's Azure, we architect IFS Cloud itself to be cloud agnostic, enabling other deployment models, including on-premise, to maximize our support for composable strategies across even the most demanding industries, such as defense manufacturers and critical infrastructure. As per our API usage policy, customers may freely use all the APIs, provided the appropriate licensing is in place. Any integration or platform that authenticate as a user in IFS Cloud may use all the APIs that user has access to without any additional licenses needed. There are dedicated SKUs for some of the packaged integration templates, such as the packaged Salesforce connector. Anonymous or multiplexing access and use of APIs is licensed through a single, everything-included SKU with a fixed price. There is no per-transaction cost. The key to IFS's commercial model is simplicity. Customers choose a base solution set to which they add or remove components as needed. They also choose whether to run IFS Cloud as SaaS in our cloud service or remote under their own management. With IFS.ai, we understand that every customer will have a different mix of use cases that they wish to accelerate, so we've opened up the model. Customers can elect to use the inbuilt capability or purchase an IFS.ai subscription, through which we allow access to the whole IFS.ai industrial AI use case library for consumption. IFS Success is made available in 3 modes, so they can choose to work with IFS, a partner, or more self-service. In summary, as a modern and composable solution, IFS Cloud delivers total flexibility, enabling organizations to select, configure, customize, and integrate hundreds of application components, providing seamless alignment to their business requirements.